There's more than one app to make a dinosaur in Xmaker. Today, I'll show you at least 4 ways to make various dinosaurs. Let's get started. Firstly, open Winder. Click Earth Spirits. Hide the clockwork. Choose the dinosaur model below. Add the text to name the model. Secondly, open DrawX. On the left, there's an image library. Click Motif. Resize the model. Choose a base. We can set the model thickness as well. Then print. Thirdly, open HingeX. On the lower right corner, we can find the monster icon. Click it. Select one dinosaur from them. Then add joints to the model. Lastly, open Dollmaker. Click Beast. Select the dinosaur model. Choose Standard Joints. Before printing the task, put the model parts by face. Optimize layout and print. If more types of dinosaurs are needed, we can either create it by uploading pictures in HingeX, DrawX, or by clicking Create in Dollmaker to create a dinosaur based on pre-designed model parts. Other than that, in Things, we'll find a wide range of dinosaur models of different types. Search models by the name or by categories, or simply viewing the pages. You'll love them.